Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wishal Sultan Fahrezi. I will presentation scientific paper about analysis of soil density on the South Ring Road segment of Road Cisaat, Sukabumi. Abstract. Soil pavement is placed on the surface of the land. This the overall quality and durability of pavement construction cannot be separated from the nature of the substrate. A good subgrade for road construction is subgrade originating from the location itself or nearby, which has been compacted to a certain density level so that it has good carrying capacity and the ability to maintain volume change during the surface period even though there are differences in environmental conditions and local soil types. The carrying capacity of the subgrade can be estimated by using the classification result of CBR checks, loading test plates, and so on. Introduction. The southern record of Sukabumi is shortcut to take a shorter trip, avoiding traffic jams due to the density of public road access in Sukabumi. Ibadak-Sukabumi route, as well as shortening the journey to reach the destination. Methods. In the journal, the research was conducted at the construction site of roadworks located on the Southern Road with the Sukabumi Road to Cisaat. The study began by surveying the location to determine the contours of the land and the condition on the Southern Ring Road. The time of this research was carried on in March 2021 by surveying the research location in preparation of this scientific paper. Data collection and analysis. A. Literature study method. At this stage, data collection related to research is carried out. This is done to obtain materials related to this research. In this process, includes all data needs to complete the research result. B. Observation method. This method is an observation carried out the research location, observing aspect of the object to be analyzed in this final thesis research. C. Interview. That is looking for data by asking parties who, to be more specific in the data collection process. Finding the CBR California bearing ratio value. The experimental tool that determines the amount of CBR is tool that has a piston with an area of 3 inches. Result. Table 1 is moisture content. ESTM D2216771. Table 2 preliminary design of the shoulder and road pavement contraction. Discussion. A. Soil characteristic. In the implementation, there are often obstacles regarding surface of the contour of the land, because it is caused by the unstable nature of the soil at the time of the study. There are also inhibiting factors from the implementation, which are determined by unfavorable weather such as rain. B. Soil test. Soil data obtained from the research is secondary data obtained from the Department of Public Works, which is located in GL Twins. The data are present in Table 1. The measurement results show the content of soil content, which had a total average of 35.27 grams. Data on aggregate shift can be explained through different tests of each sample, so that it will produce percent return and percent pass. C. Early design pavement contraction. The contraction of the road pavement for the southern ring road of Sukabumi for the shoulder and road body is 8,020,000 ESEL. the type of material used in the initial descent pavement contraction, both for the shoulder pavement and for the road body, is present in the previous table 2. Conclusion. Contraction of flexible pavement, which is a pavement that uses asphalt as a binding material, the layers of which are to carry and spread the traffic load the subgrade. Considered slab with their sub-base layer, composite pavement contraction, namely rigid pavement combined with flexible pavement or rigid pavement on flexible pavement. Flexible pavement is a pavement that uses asphalt as a binder. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.